How to be a good kisser. 9 out of 10 people say they would refuse to date someone who is a bad kisser, while 1 out of 5 say they'd date someone unattractive if that person was a great kisser. So let's get started. You will need a practice partner, fresh breath, and lots of moves. Step 1. Make sure you have fresh breath. There's no excuse not to these days, what with powdered mouthwash packets and disposable teeth wipes on the market. Step 2. Keep things interesting by varying your technique and tempo. Flick and rotate your tongue, alternate between gentle nibbling and passionate devouring. Keep your lips moving over theirs. Keep it wet, but not a washout. No one likes to be slobbered on. Step 3. Give them what they want. For guys, this means kissing her neck, since 90% of women rate a neck kiss more stimulating than a French one. For gals, it means gently biting his lips and earlobe. Step 4. Remember to caress your partner while you kiss. That's caress, guys, not grope like a horny high schooler. Another tip for the men. Try holding your face in your hands as you kiss her. Women love that. Step 5. Keep your tongue in the front half of the other person's mouth. People want to be kissed, not gagged. Step 6. Don't be afraid to moan softly and breathe heavily. There's no bigger turn on than knowing you're turning on someone else. Did you know? Kissing burns 6.5 calories per minute.